Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kev with Kev's Auto Adventures. Today we're with my Element. I know you see that's bright and the rest is ashy. Well, today we're going to do a quick video on my car and the product that I use to do the trim. Now you see she's all ashy. I already did half the car, so you didn't have to go through seeing all that. She got a nice dark gray, like she's looking nice right now. I mean, I got to go over it again. Some spots, you know, she's been dry all year. Actually, this is the first one of the year, so that's what I'm doing right now. The product I use, not sponsored, but the Trim Restore Turtle Wax. And let me put some on here. And this is how you gotta massage it in, because if not, you'll have spots everywhere. And then if it's real wet, you have to get it real good, because that'll definitely show. Mind you, only got one hand here showing. See, look at that. I know there's other products. I want to try the Mother's Back to Black, but this is the one I've been using on it. To be honest, it lasts about 3-4 months, and then when it does rain, on certain spots it does drip. You see drip marks. Some people use Armor All. This is like an Armor All, but it isn't. I'll do that in a second. Let me get some more on here. See how ashy she is? Look at that. I heard the Mothers last a lot longer. I've never used it yet. After I'm done with this, I'll definitely use it. We'll see how she comes out. And like I said, she lasts a few months. Then you got to reapply. And there you go. I know I already washed the car, and I should have done things to block like the paint. I mean, it's not gonna do anything, but you see streaks. Look at that. Compared to, do you see how ashy she looks down there? I mean, she's gonna need another coat of this, you know, but it definitely brings the car out. Definitely brings her out. You know, you can use this on all types of plastic, you know, like on the window where the front windshield's at, you know, when your windshield wipers are. It's definitely a good thing to use. Like I said, this ain't the best product, but look at that. She's already, as you've seen from the beginning, she already came out better. You see the blemishes, because she needs to be worked in more, massaged better. Because after a while, it starts to dry up a little bit, and you'll see spots. Get in here a little bit. And there, see, I don't like doing these top trims because when it does rain, it leaves streaks on the windows. I mean, I'll do it real quick. a light coat, but I don't like that it leaves the streaks. That's the only thing when it rains or whatever. Like I said, I'll just apply a light coat on these. Of course, do the mirrors. I'm gonna have to do this better. You know, don't mind that. I'll get that better. But see how shiny she comes out? I've been waiting on doing a video on my element because I had a lot of people want to know about the Solara. She's right here, of course. But this is her. The upgrades I've done, I got the LEDs. I gotta polish the lights again. But I got the LEDs. I painted the fog lights. It's called what's that? Stained glass canary yellow. Those are LEDs also. I've had put these 08, 09 Accord wheels on her with fresh tires. Yeah, I know she needs to be lowered a little bit, but it's what it is. But yes, you know, I got her looking fresh. I got another upgrade. I didn't have the roof racks when I bought her. She was plain, but I found them at the junkyard for 25 bucks, which was a steal. And then, of course, I put the kayak racks on there. I have a kayak, but I haven't even used the kayak yet. I put these fresh tires on there. Got them very cheap. I do everything cheap on a budget. But yeah, she's looking really good here. Really, really good. I gotta hit the bumper up a little more. Some spots I could see I gotta hit up better. But that's what it is, though. You know, another upgrade, if anybody wants to know who has an element, some people say they buy the back ones and that they won't let the window open. Mine, see, they got a little wedge there. The windows, mine's open. These are the AVSs, the auto vent shades. Very good product. Had these for quite a few years. I had this element for 7 years now, and she's done me well. And that was one of the first things I did, was put them on. And then I put, of course, the same thing, the windshield, bug windshield, whatever guard. I mean, it's old now. You know, she could be polished up. But another thing, auto vent shade, if you want to know the product. But yeah, like I said, she's looking very good right now. She's ready for the weekend. Like I said, I got to do another coat on it because I know I see spots that I missed. But she's not looking bad. What do you guys think? You know, let me know in the comments what you think about her. You know, good, bad, whatever. She's been a very good vehicle for me. I bought her with 104,000 miles. She's at 172,000. Like I said, 7 years. I have no major issues with her. None whatsoever. You know, I did drill slotted rotors on her, on both front and back. That's what they are. I mean, they've been on here for a while. Yeah, I should have painted the rotors on, for they're a little rusty now. The main issue on these cars, man, are them freaking calipers. That's a new caliper in there. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it, but I bought the pair because them things are notorious for just seizing up on you. You know, my car right now is a little dirty inside. I haven't done the inside yet. Let me get the keys. I did the key fob, which I got to do right now, the actuator, because the actuator is going bad on me. Which, see, it's trying to open. I don't know if you see that, guys. It's trying to open, but it's not. I got the actuator. But this is what I got to do to get in her now. Get on this side because the key on that side got messed up. Like I said, she don't mind the mess in here. I actually did the double din upgrade on her. But I got a nice crack in the windshield. You know, she's not bad. Like I said, I'm just cleaning her up. I got the interior to do. But it is what it is. And she locks up. And actually, I have a key fob and the box for it. And I gotta sell that. I gotta make some money on that. She's the all-wheel drive version, so she definitely has the sunroof in the back. This was a DX, but like I said, I did all the upgrades myself. You know, like I said, she was very plain Jane. I got the mud flaps for her, but I'm missing the front, so I haven't put them on. I actually got the EX. They got a subwoofer that goes in. If you look where all that mess is at down there, there's a subwoofer that goes there. I have it, but I never grabbed the amp, the internal amp for it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an external amp with my own speaker in there to have my own bass in there, because I need the room. I don't want to have a speaker box in the back. I already had one. I don't like it. You know, not that I don't like it. I don't have the room for it. I got my tools that I always carry with me whenever I need it. But yeah, guys, she's hers. This is an 03, and the paint still looks great. She's still in great shape. I mean, she does need a buff, a good buff. I mean, I don't know if you can tell because she's a little dull, but with a good buff, oh my gosh, she's gonna be, she freaking look gorgeous. But yeah, that's her, guys. Hope you like this. Like I said, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you don't like it, put a thumbs down. Hey, it is what it is, man. We all real over here. All right, let me know what you think. There's gonna be more videos on her. I know, like a lot of you guys that are subscribed, like the Solara, which she's right here still. She's not going nowhere. But this is my baby, though. This is my main vehicle, my everyday, my daily, and she is what it is. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. All right, y'all have a good one. Later.